Where am I? What is this place? I've never seen anything like this.
Today, Lucy and I hike towards Red Rock Canyon, located in Lake Forest, California. It's quite a good exercise, especially carrying a 12-pound feline on your back. The trail is sandy, muddy, and rocky, so be prepared. There are lots of trees and vegetation along the way, plus plenty of shade. It's a steady way uphill to the rocks. Also, some peculiar birds, such as woodpeckers and California scrub jays. You may also find a couple majestic creatures like this one and this one.